Are you tired of watching your hard-earned money evaporate every time the market throws a tantrum? Are you looking for stocks that can weather the storm? Stocks that won't have you reaching for the Pepto-Bismol every time you check your portfolio? Well, then listen up, because today we're diving headfirst into the world of defensive stocks on the NSE. These are the companies that stand strong when the going gets tough, the ones that keep churning out profits even when the market is in a funk. We're talking about rock-solid businesses like Rail Vikas Nigam, Castrol India, ITC, PFC, and Natco Pharma. Stocks that offer stability, growth potential, and a good night's sleep. And stick around till the end, because I've got a surprise for you. Something that could give your investment strategy a serious boost. First up, we've got Rail Vikas Nigam, or RVNL as it's known on the street. This company is the backbone of India's rail infrastructure development. Currently trading at 570 rupees and 75 paise with a gain of 1.21%, this train is just leaving the station. RVNL has a history of consistent project wins, and their revenue growth is like a runaway locomotive. The technical indicators are flashing a big, fat buy signal. With government backing, it's like having Warren Buffett as your advisor. This is a company that's built to last. RVNL checks all the boxes. Laying down the tracks for India's future, it's going to be a wild ride to the top. Next up, we're shifting gears and talking about a company that knows a thing or two about smooth operations, Castrol India. Now, I'm not talking about some fly-by-night oil company. We're talking about the leader in the lubricant sector, a market that's as essential as it gets. I don't care if the economy is booming or busting, people are going to need motor oil, and that's where Castrol comes in. Trading at 270 rupees and 85 paise with a recent gain of 0.88%, Castrol India is a stock that's firing on all cylinders. Their MACD and volume indicators are pointing towards steady growth, and their strong brand recognition is like a force field against market downturns. And the best part? They offer a solid dividend yield, which means you get paid just for holding on to this gem. It's like getting a bonus for being smart with your money. So, if you're looking for a stock that's as steady as a well-oiled machine, look no further than Castrol India. This is a company that's built to last, and it's one you'll want to have in your portfolio when the market starts getting bumpy. Now, let's talk about a company that's about as diversified as they come. ITC Limited. We're talking cigarettes, FMCG products, hotels, you name it, they've got it. Currently trading at 504 rupees and 55 paise, ITC might be down slightly by 0.17%, but don't let that fool you. This is a stock that's built to weather any storm. ITC's diversified portfolio is like a financial fortress, protecting your investment from market volatility. And when you look at their track record of consistent earnings and strong cash flow, you know you're dealing with a company that knows how to make money. Plus, their history of regular dividends is like a cherry on top of an already delicious sundae. The moving averages are showing strong support around 500 rupees, making ITC a safe bet for any investor looking to play defensively. This is a stock that's as solid as they come, and it's one you'll want to have in your corner when the market starts throwing punches. Let's talk about a company that's literally powering India's growth. Power Finance Corporation Limited, or PFC, for those of you who like to keep it short and sweet. This company is essential to India's infrastructure development, and with a stock price of 517 rupees and 50 paise and a gain of 0.36%, they're proving that essential businesses are a good place to be. Their RSI and Bollinger Bands are looking healthy, indicating that PFC is in a strong position to deliver consistent returns. And when you consider their strategic importance in India's power sector, you know you're looking at a company with a bright future. Listen, folks, in a world that's increasingly reliant on electricity, companies like PFC are like gold mines. They provide stability, growth potential, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your investments are supporting a vital industry. So, if you're looking for a stock that's as reliable as the power grid itself, look no further than Power Finance Corporation. This is a company that's electrifying the market, and you'll want to be along for the ride. Last but not least, we're talking about a company that's at the forefront of a sector that's only getting bigger, Natco Pharma. Now, I know what you're thinking. Pharmaceuticals, that's boring. But let me tell you, boring is beautiful when it comes to defensive stocks. Natco Pharma is a leader in the generic drug market, a market that's only going to grow as the global population ages. And with a stock price of 1,551 rupees and 35 paise and an impressive gain of 5.39%, they're proving that you can be both defensive and profitable. Their technical indicators are screaming buy, and their expanding international presence means they're not just a one-trick pony. Plus, their focus on generic drugs gives them a competitive edge in a market that's all about affordability. Listen, folks, healthcare is a necessity, not a luxury. And that's what makes Natco Pharma such a compelling investment. They offer stability, growth potential, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're invested in a sector that's always in demand. So, if you're looking for a stock that's the perfect prescription for a healthy portfolio, look no further than Natco Pharma. This is a company that's at the forefront of a global megatrend, and you'll want to be along for the ride. There you have it, folks. Rail Vikas Nigam Castrol India, ITC PFC, and Natco Pharma. 5 defensive stocks on the NSE that can help you weather any market storm. These companies offer the stability and growth potential you need to protect your portfolio and come out ahead. But wait, there's more. Because you've stuck with me till the end, I've got a special surprise for you. We're giving away 21,000 rupees worth of financial calculators to 5 lucky viewers. These calculators are the real deal, folks, and they can help you make smarter investment decisions. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and send a screenshot to the number on the screen. And don't forget to check out our How to Automate Trades course, now available for just 99 rupees. It's time to make your money work as hard as you do.